Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core line and Philips Ledinaire buttons. Our buttons are ideal for many different application areas, such as industrial production spaces and technical premises, but they also work perfectly for coves, general lighting areas, and in assembly and utility areas. Regarding energy savings, core line offers up to 66% over conventional lighting with an efficacy of 139 lumen watts. Ledinaire, 60% with 100 lumen watts. Core line comes in 4 lengths and Ledinaire in 5. If you need higher water resistance and better impact protection, choose core line. Core line offers up to 10,000 lumen and Ledinaire up to 2,600. Both come in 2 color temperatures. Ledinaire is not dimmable, but core line has different dimming options, daily and smart lighting control. This means that they can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform, Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions are available in core line. Both core line and Ledinaire offer fast installation with push-in connector and pull relief. In terms of mounting options, both can be surface mounted and core line can be also suspended with the included suspension kit. Installation is even faster for core line as it's tool-free and requires minimum effort. With both ranges, you can easily create light lines, and through wiring is also possible. As a plus, core line has the Inet mark. If you want to learn more about Philips buttons, check Battens in the Signify Luma Expert app. Thanks for watching.